Good morning, guys. Another short video on how to make sweet treats. So those of you that know me know that I absolutely love sugar, and especially around certain times of the year, there are certain candies that I absolutely adore and should not be eating. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do a really healthy Reese's peanut butter cup. You can use almond butter if you want, or Jif. I like the Jif natural. Cashew milk, almond milk, coconut milk, your preference, doesn't matter. Your choice of protein, of course, I choose to use the LPN, again, because it's a great isolate, easy on the stomach, and it is not gritty. So this session is going to be a couple different parts of the video because I have to make one little group of it for the lower half of the peanut butter cup, throw it in the freezer, then we'll do the middle and the topping and throw that in the freezer as well. So prep time is super fast. Freezer time, a total of 30 minutes. So again, it's not horrible. So I'm gonna take just one scoop of protein, and this is gonna be for your base layer. A little bit of the cashew milk or almond. Make sure you shake it up good or you're gonna get the weird, clear, gritty chunks. It's never fun to see. Just a tiny, tiny bit in there. Start with little bits first so you can test out the consistency, because you almost want it kind of like a mud consistency. Don't get it super runny or it's gonna take forever in the freezer. So again, just start off with just little bits at once, and that way you don't overdo it, just to make the sludge or like a fudgy look, I guess. I like the fudgy sound better just because I'm a fudge nut. Any type of fudge. Okay. All right, once you have that consistency, you can just use a regular muffin pan, or you can put these little guys in there too, and it kind of gives it the appearance with the ridges of a Reese's peanut butter cup. So even like for your little ones, if they're craving something sweet or you're trying to wing them off candy, this is a great alternative. So you're just gonna pour a tiny, tiny bit into the bottom of each one, because again, that's just your base layer, so you don't need a whole lot. And one of these servings makes probably, I can usually get about 4 cups out of each one, 4 Reese's cups, depending on how thick you want your bottom to be full of chocolate too. So if you like a lot more chocolate than you do the peanut butter, then pour a little bit more into the bottom of your tin cup. Okay guys, I am back. It's been about 20 minutes. Sometimes it'll take just a little bit longer depending on your protein. But I jumped ahead a couple steps. So we just did the first layer, threw it in the freezer for a little bit. The next step, you are going to take a little bit of peanut butter and you're gonna put it on top of that frozen first layer. And again, you can use almond butter if you want to, no big deal. So once you do that, you throw that one in the freezer. I have one that I already did and popped in the freezer. You're gonna take a little bit of that mixture that we did in the first part of the video, and you are gonna cover the peanut butter with it. And that's gonna be your top layer of the Reese's cup. And that will go back into the freezer for the top layer to dry or to freeze. And then I have one that I did already here that I popped out, and it turns into a nice yummy peanut butter cup, and they are absolutely amazing. I know it's getting a little colder outside, but if you are craving something sweet and you want to keep it healthy, keep your protein up, this is definitely the way to go. Thanks guys, have a great day.